Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide the coordinates of price range in TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and you can see I have already used two price range tool in this chart as well. So what you can do is you simply need to hover on this line and you'll be able to see the circle pops out, right? So you simply need to click over there, and now you can see three dots at the right side of this option. So once you click on that option, you can see hide just down below of the section. So once you click over there, you'll be able to hide this successfully. So basically this is how you can hide the coordinates of price ranges in TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.